actually start with the Pandas and start importing it. I'll call it PD. So yeah. Next code, I will be calling, like our table will have only two columns for now, and the first column is the name, the second one is the ages. I will define only some people. So let's call it names, and as I will be creating two tables and merging them. So I'll show you how does it work. I will call this name one, names one, and for sure we'll be creating a table, list, and for example the names. And let's go with James, and the next one, Sarah, and let's go with the that's the last one. Only like 4 people, and the ages also 1. As I told you, I will be creating two tables and merging them. And the 4 ages, you need to only use the numbers. So let's say 25, 38, 17, 25, and that's it. So let's continue with the to create a table, we can directly import these two into a table, but we can do something else to make it more clear and let's say look better, and call it information, and I'll call it one as well. So here I'm creating a dictionary, and in this dictionary I have names, name, let's call it, and then this is name 1. So this is the first column name, and column name gets all the names in the list that we are creating: Alex, James, Sarah, Bob, there. And also the other column age, and like the other one, age is 1. So this is the information we have defined, and then let's call the first DataFrame df1, and then DataFrame. So we're creating a DataFrame. That's how we're creating a table in Python, and we need the data. Data is already defined. So information 1 is the data we are looking for. We need to present df1 to show how does that look. And to run this again, it should be now it's showing the name and age column. So as you can see in here, we have Alex 25, James 38, Sarah 17, I'm up 35, and also we have the indexes in here. So that's the first step to create a table. But if you want to create a second table in here, you can go the same thing with the same steps, but you don't need to import Pandas again. It's already imported. So we call this name 2, ages 2, and change like I don't Julie, second name Thomas, and that's primary 3 names in here. And the last one would be Lena, and the ages will have 34, 36, and 20, right? So this is the second one that we are creating, and we can also create an information number 2. So just the same steps, and add this 2 in here, and 2 in here, and then run this, and the next one I will create this data frame. This time I'm going to call it 2, right? I'm doing the exact same steps, so nothing has changed. I'm just defining a new table, another table, and that's cell df2. I'm writing df2 to present the df2, but I don't know why it's not showing up, but that's okay, not a problem. So now we have Julie, Thomas, and Elena with their ages as we define. Now we want to create or merge all these two tables, so let's call it merged data frames, and let's say df1 that admin and df2. So that should be it. And if you want to see how does that look, you see we have all these two tables, all these two tables together: Alex, James, Sarah, Bob, and the second one Julie, Thomas, and Elena. But if you notice, we have this index we choose, so it starts from 0 to 3, and then it starts again from 0 to 2. So that's how it's defined. So we don't want that. For this reason, we can use this reset index formula. Let's call it merge. Yes, and I'm redefining the merge df. So dfs dot reset index. So you need to use drop. So Alex, James, Sarah, Bob, Julie, Thomas, Lena, and we have the indexes as we want. So now let's say we want to add a column, the third column here, and let's call it their hometown or city, whatever. So we'll call it city in here, and then let's go with my favorite Berlin, and New York, and then Paris. Okay, Madrid, and London. The next one could be LA, and the last one we have 7 here is Rome. Right, so now we want to say merge data frames is equal to, in the merge data frames, we want to add a column, right, and call it hometown. So the people are coming from the cities, and simply we can say what it equal to the cities, right? Nothing specific. And if you want to see it again, you will see name, age, and hometown in front of it, right? But in between, if you want to say, for example, oh, Bob is not 35, Bob is 36 now. So it's simply, you need to call this column and that row in DataFrame, and then change it. Merge the ifs. So the column name is, for example, age, right? And now we have to count the rows, so or we can use this index. Bob is 35 and we want to change the age to 36. So it's row number 3 according to the index, and we always start from 0 in Python, right? And 36 is the age. And now if we call it, and I just want to show you, so now we see the Bob is 36 years old.